We are Commercials Guyana. We have this 2010 Isuzu Elf for sale. Here it is. So this is a 2010 Isuzu Elf, registered in Guyana on GAB series, early GAB. It's been owned by the same person, and it is for sale. This has got a fridge in the box. Everything works. Any test drive, any inspections, welcome. Actually cold already. Fridge conform working. So if you're interested in this truck, give us a ring and we will arrange a time for you to come. Appointments only. We've got the sign inside the door. (2010) model. This is inside the back. So if you're interested in this Isuzu Elf, get in contact with us. Viewing can be arranged. This truck is as if it was imported from Japan yesterday. Had very minimal use and is for sale. So grab yourself a bargain. It's registered early GAB series and everything works. Air condition works in the cab. And the fridge unit works perfectly. Truck drives as it should. Everything works as it should. So if you're interested, give us a call on 266-2542. If you don't get through, call us on 744-7435. You can also contact us through our social media platforms. Thank you. This is it with the fridge body at the back. Any inspections, any test drive, welcome. If you would like to sell a truck, a machinery, a luxury car, or a property in Guyana, get in contact with us.
unit blowing.